The Reggio Emilia approach is an educational philosophy and pedagogy centered around a three-pronged image of the child. First, the child is considered to be a capable and autonomous actor. Secondly, children are believed to be innately curious. And thirdly, children are seen to be active learners rather than passive receptors of knowledge. This approach originated in the town of Reggio Emilia, Italy, after World War II, when a group of parents and educators came together to create a new educational system that would foster children's intellectual, emotional, and social development. Inspired by the philosophies of Vygotsky and John Dewey, the Reggio Emilia approach emphasizes hands-on, project-based learning, where children are encouraged to explore, question, and construct their own knowledge through interactions with their environment and peers. Let's look at some key components of the Reggio Emilia approach. The first key component is the use of the atelier. This is a dedicated space for artistic expression and exploration. Children are encouraged to engage in a variety of artistic mediums, such as painting, sculpting, and drawing, as a way to express their ideas, emotions, and understanding of the world around them. The atelier is often run by an atelierista, a trained artist who collaborates with educators to integrate art into the curriculum and support children's creative processes. Secondly, in a Reggio Emilia classroom, the environment is carefully curated to provoke curiosity and encourage exploration. The approach believes the environment is the child's, quote, third teacher. In practice, this means that materials are intentionally selected and arranged to inspire children to ask questions, investigate, and engage in meaningful learning experiences. Documentation, which includes photographs, transcripts of conversations, and samples of children's work, plays a crucial role in capturing and reflecting on the learning process, allowing educators to understand and build upon children's interests and ideas. Now let's look at the key strengths and limitations of the Reggio Emilia approach. One of the key strengths of this approach is its emphasis on fostering a strong sense of community and collaboration. Children are encouraged to work together, share ideas, and learn from one another, while educators and parents are viewed as partners in the learning process. This collaborative environment promotes a deep sense of respect, empathy, and appreciation for diverse perspectives. Additionally, the approach's focus on hands-on, project-based learning allows children to actively construct their own knowledge, develop critical thinking skills, and engage in meaningful, self-directed exploration. However, the Reggio Emilia approach has faced criticism from some educators and researchers. One limitation is the potential lack of clear academic standards or structured curriculum, as learning is largely driven by children's interests and explorations. This can make it challenging to assess individual student progress and ensure that all core academic areas are adequately covered. Another criticism is the resource-intensive nature of the approach, which may require specialized training for educators, high-quality materials, and dedicated spaces for artistic expression. These requirements can be difficult for some schools or communities to implement due to financial or practical constraints. To learn more about the Reggio Emilia approach, you can read the article from my website that I've left in the pinned comment. Finally, this approach is similar to the Montessori approach. I've left links to videos about the Montessori approach and how it differs from the Reggio Emilia approach on the screen.